So again what happened? He went into the control tower. He asked a woman where he was. She looked at him strangely and then she laughed. She told that there was no other aeroplane except his at night. So here the author was in very means यहाँ author बहुत wondering था उस बात पे. He was very wonderstruck to hear it that he wondered who had helped him to arrive there. He was without a compass or a radio. He did not have enough fuel also in his tanks. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? Okay, and he just wanted to say thanks to that person who was in the black aeroplane. ओके बट जब उसने उस बात को कंफर्म किया कंट्रोल रूम में जाकर उस वुमेन से, तो उसने उसकी तरफ बहुत सरप्राइजिंगली देखा, ठीक है, स्ट्रेंजली देखा इन अ स्ट्रेंज मैनर, और फिर उसने उसको रिप्लाई किया कि कोई नहीं था, नो वन वॉज देयर एंड योर प्लेन वॉज ओनली देयर. ठीक है. सो हेयर द ऑथर डिड नॉट नो वेयर ही हैड लैंडेड बट ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ लीविंग हिज प्लेन अनअटेंडेड. ही हेडेड स्ट्रेट इन द कंट्रोल रूम टू आस्क अबाउट द अदर पायलट. To his utmost surprise, the lady informed him that there was no other plane in the sky except his because of the bad weather. So he left very astonished. He left very surprised with a lot of questions which was unanswered in his mind. So what happened in the last para? He went to the control tower and asked a woman present there where the pilot of the black airplane was, and he wanted to thank him for his assistance, that he saved my life. Okay, क्योंकि वो उसकी कोई हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहा था and he was lost in that storm. So the woman laughed and told him that no other airplane except the narrator had landed there. And here the narrator was taken aback and he wondered who the pilot of the black airplane was and why he had saved his life. So ये एक उसके लिए mystery बन चुका था. So this is the chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Moving on, I just want to give you a short summary of the chapter, the black aeroplane. So the story is, I told you as before that the story is about a pilot who is the narrator of the chapter. The story Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who was feeling very happy and he was flying Dakota airplane at over a city that is sleeping at the night time, and he was flying from Paris to England. While taking his flight, he dreamed about the long holiday with his family. Okay, he was just imagining, he was only fantasizing it about the scrumptious breakfast. ठीक है, वो सब कुछ जो है ये बहुत ज़्यादा अपना imaginary था उसके लिए, और ये सब कुछ वो सोच रहा था. He that about a very good breakfast with his family of a long holiday, and a long holiday also he would have upon landing. And as soon as he crosses Paris, he get a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of upcoming storm. ठीक है, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने एक डिसीजन लिया कि he would have been to turn back to Paris for the sake of safety, कि उसके लिए यही सेफ रहेगा कि वो वापस पेरिस के लिए टर्न ले ले. ठीक है, लेकिन but he being overshadowed by his dreams and not wanting to delay them, वो जल्दी ही मीन्स घर पे भी आना चाहता था, अपनी फैमिली के पास भी आना चाहता, लेकिन वो अपने पैसेंजर्स की लाइफ रिस्क में नहीं डालना चाहता था. एंड ही हेड स्ट्रेट इनटू द स्टॉर्म. ओके, एंड एवरीथिंग गेट्स डार्क. He is unable to see all his directions instruments stop functioning and he lost control of the plane. Okay, जब सारी hope ख़त्म हो गई, when he lost all his hope, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. ठीक है, so here the author was panicking as there were very less amount of fuel left. सो जो उसका जो ब्लैक एरोप्लेन में पायलट था उसने उसको गाइड किया एंड ही हेल्प देम आउट ऑफ द स्टॉर्म एंड डिसअपियर्ड एज सुन एज दे सॉ लाइट अपॉन लैंडिंग. ठीक है, रनअवे पे आने के बाद उसने जब उसको सोचा कि थैंक यू बोलने के लिए, तो जब उसने देखा तो वहाँ पे वो था नहीं, डिसअपियर हो चुका था. When he asks the lady in the control room about the other pilot, he is left in shock when she says that he was his was the only plane in the sky and no other plane was there. मीन्स उसने ये सोचा भी नहीं था कि उसका क्या रिज़ल्ट हो सकता है. सिर्फ उसको क्या था कि उसने डिले नहीं करना था और वो जल्द से जल्द अपनी फैमिली के पास आना चाहता था. तो उसने जितने भी पैसेंजर्स थे उनकी लाइफ भी रिस्क में डाली. एंड ही जस्ट वांट टू डिले हिज प्लान एंड ही वेंट स्ट्रेट इनटू द ब्लैक क्लाउड्स. ठीक है. और फिर ये सब चीज़ें जो थी उसके साथ हुई. एंड ये एक मिरेकल ही है कि वो उसकी किसी ने हेल्प करी और फिर वो डिसअपेयर हो गया. और ये एक मिस्ट्री रह गई कि हु हैड हेल्प्ड हिम एंड ही जस्ट वांटेड द आंसर बट ही वाज नॉट बीन आंसर्ड बाय द लेडी. ठीक है. लेकिन उसने उसको क्या आंसर दिया कि वहाँ पे तो कोई भी नहीं था और सिर्फ उसी का प्लेन था स्टॉर्म में और कोई इतने बैड वेदर में नहीं गया था. नो वन हैड helped him when he asked the lady in the control room about the other pilot. He is left in shock. ठीक है. वो बहुत astonished हो गया, बहुत surprised हो गया when she says that his was the only plane in the sky. So this was the chapter. I hope the whole chapter is being clear to you all. Thank you.